guys, welcome back to my channel. How's it going? I hope everybody is well. It is that time again. It's Glossybox time. I just ripped this open thinking my camera was filming and it wasn't, so I've had to just do it back up again. Glossybox, for those of you that don't know, is a monthly subscription box, and you get all kinds of beautiful makeup, skincare and loveliness in it. It's £10 a month plus £3.25 postage, I think. You can sign up for like 6 months, 3 months, 12-month contracts, and you might save some money. I'll link everything down below. I have a code if you want to use it for 20% off your first box. I will link that down below as well. Every month it comes in a beautiful pink box like this, and inside looks like this. It's always sealed with beautiful bow, and then you get a card to tell you about it. I won't look at that yet. And then, as I do every month, I will show you guys first. I've seen no spoilers for this month. Does it look good? Oh, oh, oh! I'm excited. Okay, let's have a look. So we've got Have a Glossy Spring. This month marks the start of spring. Out with the old and in with the new. Hibernation is over, so let all blossom and bloom as spring awakens. As always, we're here to help detox your beauty collection and make way for a March edit of perfect products, featuring a magical recipe for beauty sleep and a skin perfecting serum. Who needs an Instagram filter? We promise to shake it up your beauty routine and give you a spring in your step. It's time to refresh. And a sneak peek for April. They always give you a little sneak peek, and it is an Ico Fat liquid liner, which looks amazing, so I'm super excited for that. Recently they have started to do it where they, inside your box, they'll give you everything that could possibly be in, but you generally get 5 items. So and it tells you the prices. So we're just going to grab stuff. So the first thing I've got is a You're just giving me brands I can't pronounce. Look at that, really pretty packaging. And it's OrYza. Sorry that I can't pronounce it. And I think this is a lipstick. Oh my god, that's the most beautiful nude. Why have I got lipstick on? Oh my goodness, look at that. I'm sorry, I need to take my lipstick off and try that on, because that is so pretty. I've literally only put this lipstick on 10 minutes ago, but I need to put this one on my face. I'm going to read you about it while I'm wiping this off. It's like, so Orsia Beauty, I'm sorry I've said that wrong, warm nude lipstick. This velvet ribbon lipstick range has a weightless semi-matte satin finish, and this is a full-size product, and this is £15.95. so let me just get some of this on my face. Oh my god, and the packaging is so pretty. Let's get a mirror and get it on. Oh my goodness, I love it. If you don't like nude lipsticks, then you can send them all to me. Oh, I love it. It feels really nice on your lips. I think as well, it's one of those ones, depending on how pigmented your lips are, it is going to look different on everybody. But I really like that, so yes, I'm super excited for this. Okay, next up, we've got, this is a mud masky, and this is a sleep repair renewal nourishing mask. That is the packaging, and it says, what does it say about you? Where are you? Ah, it's on the front. So this, a full size one of this, is £61. And it says sleep repair renewal nourishing mask. This overnight mask by Premium Skincare Mud Masky hails from Amsterdam using a fresh, raw, all natural ingredients. The mask hydrates, soothes and smooths your skin. A feast for the senses. Let's have a little sniff of that. Have a sniff. It's all sealed, but I'm going to open it and smell it. Oh, it's blue. It's just a little like blue. Oh, it does smell nice. What do you smell of? I don't know what that is smell. It says it's scented with, oh, it says natural rose, but it doesn't smell like rose because I hate rose. I don't get any rose off that. So that's nice. If you don't like rosy things, you'll still be able to use this. I really like that. I'm a little bit of overnight mask, but I'm going to give it a go. Okay, next up we've got a Laura Geller, and this is a Laura Geller, and this is an easy illuminating stick in the colour Ballerina. What do we say about you? Where is this? Laura Geller illuminating stick. Durable and oil free. This highlighter can be worn on bare skin or over foundation. This is full size. And this is £19. And it's a kind of a bronzy. Oh, it's pretty. It's kind of like a like an apricot-y, peachy. Let's get some on. I haven't got any highlight on today. I've got nothing on my face today. You can tell because I'm all pink. But I'm having a Saturday makeup free. Oh, that's really pretty. Oh, I like that. That's really nice. I love the colour. I think that would be really nice. You could probably use that on your lips as well and your eyes as a multi-purpose product. So that's 2 full-size products. Next up, this feels heavy. What are you? Oh, I don't know what this is, but I'm intrigued by it. It says it's Lou by Jean CO, and it says Erase Cleansing, Exfoliating and Brightening Powder. I'm sorry, what? This is full size. This is £11. And it says the pH balance powder cleanses, exfoliates and brightens, leaving skin radiant. Erase is a 1-step skin solution. Mix with a tablespoon. Mix a tablespoon with Erase with half a tablespoon of water. Oh, this sounds mega. I've never ever tried anything like this. Oh my god, that's a ginormous. Is it you full size? Yeah, this is full size. This is huge. And it is just a powder. So I think I might do a video on that because that is really interesting to me. That looks awesome. And then the final product in the box is a Figs and Rouge Soft Focus Pore Perfect HD Matte Veil Primer, I think. Oh, that's exciting. Figs and Rouge packaging is always beautiful. And that's so lovely with the gold and the pink. This is full size. This says, where are you? Where are you? This is £35. Shit the bed. A weightless matte serum designed to minimise the appearance of pores. Ooh. Let's have a little look. So it doesn't look like a pore filling primer. It looks like a lotion. I'm running out of space to put things. Oh, it smells lovely. So yeah, wow, I'm super happy with this. I will let you guys know how I get on with all these things. I'm definitely going to do a video on this one. The other options you could have got were a good morning mask, a good night mask, a hydrating oil serum, a cream blush lip stain duo, a youth potion, a silicone sponge, or a miracle mist for your nails. Oh, that sounds cool. I might have to look at that one anyway. So yeah, that was my Glossybox for March 2018. If you like these kind of videos, please do give this one a thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff to come. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.